one off.
Alright, you want me to take that one back?
As soon as I find this next one, this base, it's base here too.
I'm just staying over watching my perch here. Was there anything in that chest inside?
It's locked.
Take it with us and unlock it some other day.
Can't drag it out.
Chest, right?
Yeah, hang on, I'm trying to focus up on this. You just try it. You can't get it out. If you can get it out, that'd be great. I'm throwing.
Trying to get out here.
What? I can stand in the window. Pull the car up next to the window, you might be able to get it out that way.
Yep.
There we go. And in this one, we have 2 hiking backpacks, food, gas, tools, and hiking backpacks.
Pull it up. Pull this one up beside the fucking.
Empty, empty. Another car.
There's your battery.
You want me to take this back?
Not yet. No, actually, pull it around here. Alternatively, I could just hit these locks in here, and we could just haul the loot out the window.
Yeah, but just let's see if we can get it.
Yeah.
Maybe I... No.
Alright, there's the silver done.
Oh,
Oh, look at all these 40s. Look at all
bro.
these 40s.
Damn.
Yo.
And a
Okay,
key
we gotta
card?
unload-
Oh, it's
We
expired.
gotta unload this shit. We gotta unload this shit.
Yeah,
They
both
got 2 key
are
cards.
expired. Both expired.
Both expired,
Oh,
yeah.
mines. 3 mines.
Oh, nice.
Alright, shit.
Fucking pizza?
Yeah.
Nice. There's 3 more mines at the top too.
Yeah, no, I moved them.
Oh, you moved them up.
Yes.
Like, you know, Rad, if you just unlock this fucking door right here,
There's more that way than there is the way we're doing it.
there might be more shit upstairs though
There
too.
might, and it's worth to try it, but I'd rather get the immediate gratification.
Yeah, we've got some admins to fight. We can raid this on the way back to base.
There we go. Look at all those guns. Another 40, MK18s, white ghillies. There's another white ghillie for somebody.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Bunch of...
800 scum dollars too. Dude, look at this little lake we just hit.
What's on their golds?
This one's a medium. There we go. Last one's a gold.
Fucking my man. You're damn
Yeah,
good at that
there's more
shit,
loot
bro.
up here.
You're damn good at that shit.
Thank you, thank you.
Still can't get the boxes out unless we take the front door.
Yeah, we don't need the boxes though. Let's just haul the loot out.
Right.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, more loot. And it's
Oh,
not locked
shit,
up here
yeah.
either. Look at all these advanced lockpicks. Stop playing, kid. Dude,
Oh, look at all these
1,000
guns.
scum dollars.
Bro.
Bro.
We
Look at
gotta
this
unlock that
flick.
door downstairs.
In the boxes.
I'll start hauling shit downstairs.
Y'all want me to just keep
Oh,
chilling here
lock
in the getaway
protection,
ride?
really? You got lock protection, but you don't got your window barricade. I knew it was just gonna be 1 gold. The rest are silvers.
How much health is that doing each time?
Doesn't matter. I'm ripping them off. Doors open. There you go.